Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. I'm going to make you a nice, lovely curry diced chicken. Very easy and simple. I'm going to marinate it and cook it and make you guys see the way it looks. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and my name is Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. One love. Nice and lovely. I want to introduce my fans to my garlic crusher. This garlic crusher I've been selling right now to the amount of the garlic crusher which been sold so far. If you never get any, you need to get one of these garlic crusher. It's one of the best ever garlic crusher ever used in my life. It's on my website ChefRicardoCooking.com. I will put the link in the description box, or you can get to buy this garlic crusher. Look at this. Put in it just like this. Put a clove of garlic in it. And all you're going to do is squeeze it down like this. And look at this, the juice starts to come out already. Get your meat, and that's simple. Just like this. See that, guys? And that's how I'm introducing it to my fans and said to them, so listen guys, if you want to get this garlic crusher, please contact Chef Ricardo or go to my website. The link will be in the description box. And I'm going to show you my fans again. This is the best garlic crusher. Look at that. I love it. I love it. It's amazing. Put another one in it. Show the fans them. And the garlic is a sprinkle all over the meat. So far we got 4 cloves of garlic inside of it. Alright guys. And then after, you just remove this, wash it out, and you're good to go. So right here I still have a few more pieces of garlic, 3 cloves more. I'm gonna put this on it just like this, and I have some fresh thyme which I'm gonna put on it like this. I'm gonna put some pepper. Nice one. And also we're going to be using the Jamaican valley season. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. This is a teaspoon or you use at a table. Then I'm gonna put some chicken spice also, bringing a lovely flavor to it. 1.5 teaspoons. What next? All-purpose. Put a teaspoon of the all-purpose season on it. Jamaican valley curry for the season. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of the curry season. 2 teaspoons of the curry powder on it. Alright, second thing, spring onion. I'm gonna put some spring onion, let's do some white onion. Nice one. And now I'm going to do, pop some vegetable oil or olive oil, just like that. So now we're going to just marinate it up. Alright. Nice one. So this is a curry chicken. This is a diced curry chicken breast right here I'm been using. Alright, second thing. Just gonna put this in a smaller container. Let this soak for roughly about 2 hours. Alright. Yeah, look at that. Nice. So we're just gonna make that soak for about 2 hours. Then we're going to cook it after. Look at that. Really nice and lovely. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this is my curry chicken which I marinated about an hour or 2 hours ago. This is my medium sized pot which I'm going to cook it into. All I'm going to do is pop a little bit of oil in the front pan like this. Alright, lovely and nice. So we're going to make the front pan hot for about 3 to 4 minutes. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically the pot is hot, so what we're going to do is to pop in my curry chicken like this. That's one. I'm going to take time and stir this off. Nice and lovely. Just cover this, allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. In between the 10 minutes, keep stirring it. Looking lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So what I'm going to do is put a medium-sized carrot in it. One. Just gonna add a little bit of liquid water to it. Not too much. Just a tiny little bit. Alright, guys. Gonna put a little bit of Cajun season to it to bring in a flavor. Turn on your stove a little bit low. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this is what happening right here. This is looking lovely and nice. Yeah, this is looking good. Now we're gonna turn off my stove because it doesn't take long to cook and I don't want to overcook it. What we're gonna do is stir it out now. Looking lovely and nice. So once you cook it down, turn it to gravy, that's it. Curry chicken ready. Done and dusted. Easy recipe.